guys, it's me, and today I'm doing a Genderbend Cat Noir makeup tutorial, so let's go. First thing that I'm doing is putting my hair in a hair knot. Okay, now I'm gonna put in my contacts. I have these cat eye ones because I thought that would look better than just green eyes because he's a cat, so. You know, every time I make a YouTube video, I always forget to say, everything that I'm going to be using is going to be in the description below. Now I'm going to put on my foundation. I just want to say really quick that you don't need to put foundation too much here because you're going to be covering that up with black anyways. Here and here, but I just did it anyways because I wanted to. Now I'm just going to use my concealer really quick. I'm just going to blend that in really quick. Contour my face really quick. So I'm going to do my cheeks first. And I want to give myself more of a button nose, so I'm just going to go like this, and then I'm also going to go right here. And also I just kind of want to make this just a bit thinner. Like that. And then I'm going to do my jawline just because I want to. I'm also going to go right here under my lip just to make my lips bigger. And now I'm just going to blend all that in really quick. I'm also just going to add a bit of highlighter on top of that. And then I'm going to add a bit of highlighter right here just to make my lips a little bigger. Now I'm just going to set my makeup really quick. Now I'm gonna fill out my eyes with black, just because that's how I do this. So I'm gonna take a butt ton of black and fill out like here in my eyes. I forgot to prime my eyes, so there's that. Okay, now back to filling in my eyes, but prime your eyes before you do this. Now this doesn't have to be perfect by any means, it's just going to be under a mask. So it doesn't have to be perfect or even or anything, it just needs to be around where the eye hole will be. Now I'm just going to do the other eye really quick, and I'll be right back. Now I'm just going to line my waterline, like right there. And try not to touch your face right here like I just did. With your black fingers. So, I'm just gonna hide this really quick. There we go. But that looks a lot better. Okay, well, I just washed my hands just to make sure if I touched anything else on my face, it wouldn't turn black, and that is black. But that's okay, it's gonna be under my mask. So, now I forgot to curl my eyelashes. Now I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes and put mascara on. I'm going to take this lipstick and do like a pointed lip for like whatever this part is called on your lip. I'm just going to point that up a bit higher than my lip actually goes. See, now it's like to an actual point. Now I'm just going to do the rest of my lips. Necklace I made. It's just fabric. This fell off a toy earring for my little sister, a bell and a gold jump ring, and then there's some Velcro on both sides to attach it. And I'm just gonna put this on before I put on my wig, otherwise the wig gets tangled in the Velcro. This looks too tight. Okay, so I made this mask. It's just craft foam and some elastic in the middle. Just make sure that you're like that it's all filled in with the black. Like right here it's just a little tiny bit not completely filled in, so I'm just gonna take my eyeshadow, not drop my wig off my lap. So I'm just gonna take this, move it up, fill it in right there, and it should be good. Yeah, see, it's like filled in there now. So, okay, now I'm gonna put on my wig. my cat ears that I made. I have a YouTube video that I will link right here in the I've heard. So now I'm just doing these gloves, and I have a YouTube video on how I made these, and I will link it up there. Okay, so I know his ring goes on the middle finger on his right hand, but it fits perfectly without the gloves, but it's just so, like, it fits me perfectly that it will not fit on my finger on my right hand, like, with the ring. Otherwise it gets stuck and I panic and then I rip off my flesh. So it's going on my ring finger. But this is the look. But this is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!